Hi and welcome to OnceHub videos. I'm Deepak from the OnceHub team. In our previous videos, we explored how to automate booking events using OnceHub and Make. If you missed them, be sure to check out the links in the description below. In this video, I'll show you how to create a Make workflow that automatically responds when a user sends a reschedule request to a guest in OnceHub. So reschedule requests are a common part of managing meetings, but tracking them manually can be difficult. Using OneSub and Make, you can automatically capture these requests and store the details in Google Sheet for reporting, auditing, and team visibility. For this demo, we will automatically log every reschedule request into a Google Sheet whenever a host asks a guest to choose a new meeting time. So let's jump in and automate this. So log into your OneSub account, click the gear icon and select Account Integrations. Now locate Make and click Setup on Make. It will take you to the Make website. Existing user, then click Sign In, or new user, click Get Started to get a new account. When you hit Sign In, it will take you to the Make dashboard. To start the workflow, click Create Scenario. Select very first tab, and that is OneSub in our case. You will see a list of all available triggers, and I'll select watch booking cancel the schedule requested. I have already made a connection between OneSub and Make through API keys. And also for all the apps we are going to use here, in case if you are using Make or automating first time, you will need to create a connection between Make and all your apps. Select your webhook and hit save. Now it's a time to run our scenario and trigger our events from OneSub. So go back to OnceHub, locate your meeting. This is the meeting I'm going to reschedule. Select the second option, ask the guest to reschedule, and mention your rescheduling region. Hit cancel and reschedule. Pause. Now to see the information, go back to your make and you will see the payload details from OneSub events. Now it's a time to send this information to our next step, that is Google Sheet. With an action, add a row. So I'll select my spreadsheet name, OneSub data, and sheet name where I'm storing this information. So these are my details from sheet, and I'll map them. Dim owner ID and reschedule region. Once mapping is done, hit save. Save it again, and again run the scenario with existing details. There you go. You will see these two checkboxes confirming that our data is sent. So let me check my Google Sheet. There you go. All the map information is now showing up. So our scenario is working fine. It's a time to save it. All right. So as soon as the request is sent, OneSub triggers the workflow and make automatically record the detail in Google Sheet. This workflow is particularly useful for sales, recruiting, customer success, and operations team that want visibility into meeting changes and scheduling activity. By automatically tracking the schedule request, team can identify trends, improve scheduling efficiency, and maintain a complete record of customer interactions. And that is how you can use OneSub and Make to automatically track the schedule request. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.